Hello everyone. Are you ready to improve your English? Let's describe this beautiful picture together. This is a busy vegetable market. In the front, a vegetable seller is smiling. He is giving a fresh tomato to a woman. The woman is buying vegetables. She is putting vegetables into her green shopping bag. A little boy is walking beside her. He is carrying a blue shopping bag. On the right, a man is riding a bicycle. There is a basket of vegetables on his bicycle. Two children are eating ice cream happily. In the background, many people are shopping. Some people are talking to each other. There are many colorful fruits and vegetables. We can see bananas, tomatoes, carrots, cauliflower, eggplants, and green peppers. The market looks clean, colorful, and lively. Everyone looks happy. It is a beautiful sunny day. People are enjoying shopping in the market. This picture shows a busy and cheerful market scene. Now pause this video and describe the picture in your own words. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.